Hackathon and School Innovation Marathon 2025. Our project name is Digital Counter using Arduino. It is a very simple and useful project that helps in counting numbers automatically using electronics and programming. The main aim of our project is to make counting easier, faster and error-free with the help of technology.
In our project, we use an Arduino UNO board, a 7-segment display, to push button, a breadboard and jumper wires. We connected all the components properly to the Arduino. We use Arduino IDE software and wrote a program in C language to control the display. The program tells the Arduino how to increase or decrease when a button is pressed. The project helps us understand the connection between hardware and software and how small project can work smart.
Now I will explain the working of our project. When we press first button, the number on the display increases by 1, and when we press the second button, the number on the display decreases by 1. The 7-segment display shows us the count in red digits, and this. Let us demonstrate the project. This is breadboard. These are jumper wires. Arduino Uno board, 7-segment display. Through USB cable, we are dumping our project, and this is the output of 7-segment display. This can be used in schools, shops, parking areas, and factories to count people, vehicles, and items, etc. We learn teamwork, coding, circuit connection, and problem-solving skills through this project with hands-on principal, vice principal, and teachers for continuous support and guidance. We are proud to take part in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 and to contribute in a dream of developed India. Thank you.